Hey everyone! Today I'm thrilled to talk to you about an exciting new opportunity in the world of cryptocurrencies and green technology. This is something that could potentially change the way we think about both digital currencies and sustainable energy solutions. Introducing BITSEE, also known as the Btcsec meme token, part of the Hydrogen Development Fund. This token is not just another addition to the cryptocurrency market. It's a revolutionary step towards integrating blockchain technology with hydrogen fuel advancements. First and foremost, let's dive into the project goals. Our mission is to bridge the gap between digital finance and green energy, creating a synergy that benefits both sectors. BITSEE is not your average cryptocurrency. It's designed to support cutting-edge hydrogen technology projects, particularly focusing on H2 nanobubble water fuel. This innovative fuel type has the potential to revolutionize the energy industry by providing a cleaner, more efficient alternative to traditional fuels. Now, what makes BITSEE unique? It's not just about the technology, it's about the community and the vision behind it. Our smart contract is developed in-house, specifically for green AI and data centers. It's tailored to benefit the hydrogen community and token holders globally. This means that every transaction, every investment, and every development is geared towards creating a sustainable future. Unlike many others, it's not a clone. It's a unique creation, built from the ground up to serve a specific purpose. It incorporates essential features to ensure transparency and security, all immutably locked into the blockchain. This ensures that every transaction is secure, transparent, and verifiable, providing peace of mind to all stakeholders. Next up, liquidity pools and development projects. These are crucial for the growth and sustainability of our initiatives. We're launching liquidity pools on Uniswap, Bybit, and CoinMarketCap to fund our hydrogen projects. These platforms will provide the necessary liquidity to drive our projects forward, ensuring that we have the resources needed to succeed. The aim is to drive H2 nanobubble water fuel projects forward, focusing on small factory spreads and innovative, sustainable hydrogen production. This approach allows us to scale our operations efficiently and effectively, bringing cutting-edge hydrogen technology to the forefront. And that's not all. We have a lot more in store for our community and investors. We have some fantastic future staking opportunities lined up. These opportunities will allow you to earn rewards while supporting groundbreaking projects. Soon, you'll be able to stake your tokens in specific real-world projects like power to gas and gas to power. These projects are at the cutting edge of energy technology, offering exciting potential for both environmental impact and financial returns. By holding and supporting the project, you can earn rewards. This creates a win-win situation where you benefit financially while contributing to a sustainable future. Currently, we're in the pre-launch phase of our initial coin offering, or ICO. This is a unique opportunity to get in on the ground floor of a revolutionary project. Here's the deal. Each token is priced at $1.50 USD. This affordable entry point makes it accessible for a wide range of investors. Early supporters get a sweet bonus. This is our way of saying thank you for believing in our vision from the start. For every $100 invested, you'll receive 1,000 tokens. This generous bonus structure is designed to reward early adopters and incentivize larger investments. If you invest over $100K, you get 100 times the tokens. This is an incredible opportunity for those looking to make a significant impact. The funds raised during this ICO will be meticulously recorded and managed. Transparency and accountability are at the core of our financial management practices. Once deployed onto major exchanges like Uniswap and SushiSwap, the tokens will be sent to your Ethereum wallet. This ensures that your investment is secure and easily accessible. Your support, starting from as little as $50, is crucial. Every contribution, no matter the size, helps us move closer to our goals. Every contribution helps us build factories, run production, and develop innovative hydrogen solutions. Your investment directly supports the development of sustainable energy technologies. Thank you for considering this groundbreaking venture. Your support means the world to us and to the future of hydrogen technology. Together, we can make a significant impact on the future of hydrogen tech. This is more than just an investment. It's a commitment to a sustainable future. For more information, feel free to reach out to Daniel Donatelli, our founder, on Telegram at Secure Supply. He's always available to answer your questions and provide more details about our exciting projects. You can also find us through the Secure Supplies Group and Hydrogen Hot Rodding. These communities are great places to stay updated and connect with like-minded individuals. Remember, Payment can be made by Ethereum, direct bank deposit, Payoneer, PayPal, or Western Union. We've made it easy and convenient for you to invest in this groundbreaking project. Join us in this exciting journey, and let's fuel the future together. Thanks for watching. We look forward to having you on board.